What's up, you guys? It's your girl Cece, back with another video. If you're new here, hey. If you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back. But if you're new, I hope we do something, say something, you see something that inspires you to click the subscribe button. But after you click the subscribe button, leave a comment down below and let me know that you just joined the family. It's Friday and we are at Carolina Pines. Everybody is here. So we're about to go hang out. So we're gonna head over and I'll introduce you guys to my friends. Let's go. So Babe is outside getting the golf cart together. I don't know if I told y'all, but Boo is on one foot and he's still doing all the things, and we definitely appreciate it. You got young Gabe here. What you doing, Gabe?
Helping. I did most of the work.
What? Bet he did most of the work.
He did the heavy lifting, but he needed guidance
okay.
And instructions. Without guidance and instruction, he'll still be out here. We got guidance and instructions and we still out here. Yeah.
So Baby's with me. We're getting ready to roll over and hang out. How you feeling?
Tired a little bit, but I feel fine.
We had a full day. It was a fun, like, get to know you. It was a real good time. But now we're about to go hang out. We was stuck in yesterday, but we're not stuck in no more.
We got today, tomorrow.
Yeah.
We had today most of the day, and we got tonight.
Yeah, it's a little cool right now. It's like 5 o'clock. All right, y'all. Let's go ahead to the fun.
70 degrees.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space.
We about to go play bowling. I'm about to kill him. Kill him in bowling. It's just us in here, y'all. I rented this out for my homegirls. Told y'all I was kicking it with my homies today. So we about to get into this bowling. I'm gonna win. And yeah.
Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody said, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna.
Yeah. Yeah, I got it.
It's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better?
Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yo. So this says CC World, but that's really D, and he got a 90. I got a 70. Let me see. Don got a 78. Peggy came through with the 47. Lee got a 60. And he got a 73. Tim, he got a 0, y'all. He got a 0.
128, baby.
I'm a sore loser. He got 128.
4 and 4 by 2.
2 by 4 and 4 by 2.
Come on, Tim, your turn. What you got, Tim?
The roof is leaking and the rain's falling on my head.
Drip, drop, the drippity drop, drop.
The roof, the roof, the roof, the roof, the roof is leaking and the rain's falling on my head.
And drip, drop, a drippity drop, drop.
Well, my baby done left me and I might as well be dead.
Drip, drop, the drippity drop, drop.
My mama don't dance and my daddy don't rock and roll.
Drip, drop, the drippity drop.
Whew. All right, y'all. So we have hung out. It is 10:30. Excuse the TV in the back. We're about to go to bed and get ready to do it all over again tomorrow. So with that being said, good night.